Hey, welcome back to the course. Right now I'm going to show you how to download the Gitkraken software. Let's first open up our web browser. Once it's open, go to this website www.gitkraken.com. Over here, you should see the Gitkraken homepage, and then in the middle here, you should see download Gitkraken, and then it should be able to detect what operating system you're using. Right now, I'm using Windows 10, so it detected it's Windows 7 Plus 64-bit. So if you're using Mac, it should automatically detect that that is for Mac, and then this information will be different. So go ahead and click in the download Gitkraken here. Once it's download, the download should automatically start. You should see in the bottom left here, it says that Gitkraken's setup is downloading. It's in this version is 78 megs, so it's really depending on the speed of your internet connection. It can take a few seconds if you have a very robust connection, or it can take a few minutes. So whatever it is, just wait for it. Once the installation is done, like mine should be shortly, go ahead and click on that one, and the installation should automatically starting. While you're waiting for the installation to start, there is a video that you can click over here. You can play the video, and then it kind of give you very basic overview of what the Gitkraken can do. Also going to give you the user interface introduction. It's tell you all this information over here. So I'm just going to wait for my installation to kick in, and then I'm going to there. So the installation is starting. You should see something like this too. Once again, it's really depending on your computer speed. This installation process can take anywhere from 1 minute up to 10 minutes. For me, I'm just going to pause my recording here. Once the installation is completed, I'm going to progress and move on. Okay, my installation is completed. Now, it should automatically open up a user interface of Git like this. So you should see it's by default, it's a dark theme. You can change that to a different theme if you want. Later I'll show you how to do that. And if this is the first time that you're setting up this account, then you should see a box like this where you need to put in your information. So for me, I'm going to set up visual video tutorials, right? And then I'm going to put in my name. And then I'm going to put in my email address. Once it's done, click in the Save Changes. Okay, so it says that currently your account is already set up. I detect that there is, do you want to initialize a new Git repository? For now, just go ahead and click Cancel. Okay, once you created your profile, I want you to go to the 3-line here, go to Setting. We will go to the Preferences. Okay, once the Preferences is open, go into the Authentication. What we want to do is, right now we want to connect our Gitkraken software into the GitHub account that we just created. So up here, you will see that there is one that says GitHub account. Go ahead and click on that one. And then you should see that for now, it is not connected. So click over here as Connect to GitHub. Once it's trying to connect, you should see like a browser window to open up. And you should see a page like this. So what you will do is you're going to sign in into the GitHub account using the account that you just created earlier. So in my case is and using the password that you set up also earlier. Click on that. Once you log in, it says Authorize Application. It's attempting to access, so we just need to click over here, Authorize Application. Go ahead and click on that one, and then it says it's successful. You're connected to GitHub right now. You can close this browser. You can just minimize it. Now over here, it's in your setup. You should see that your name and your GitHub account, and then it says it's connected. I want to ask you to do the next step, which is generate an SSH. SSH key is a way for a system to generate like a string of key that will connect between your Gitkraken account to your GitHub account. Basically, it's just another way to connect between these two, between your GitHub account and Gitkraken without using the password. So over here in this field, you can type in whatever keyword. For me, I'm just going to do my last name, and then click on the generate SSH key and add to GitHub account. Once you click on this one, it may take a few seconds, and then once it's done, it says SSH key added to GitHub. Now your SSH between your Gitkraken and then your GitHub account is this string. If this is already established, using this string, basically GitHub can communicate to your Gitkraken software without you have to put in the password, the username and password all the time. It's just like your software here right now is an authorized software, and it's an authorized inbound traffic for the GitHub account that you created earlier, right? If you have any question regarding this process and installing and setting up the connection between your Gitkraken into GitHub, please post it in the forum. I will respond to it as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next lesson.